Most AI video tools force you to trade control for speed. But what if you could dictate the exact AI model, voice cadence, and brand hex codes in under 5 minutes? StudioCut gives you that power. Skip this breakdown, and you risk wasting tokens and breaking brand consistency. Step 1 is content and style. This is where you define your video title, target audience, and core format. The content type you select changes the entire interface below it. If you have a specific script, open the VoiceOver script panel. Paste your exact words for total command over the audio. Check the Enhance with AI box, and the system polishes your pacing and pauses without altering your meaning. Finally, lock in your format and platform. The duration slider enforces strict limits based on both your target network and your current plan tier. This is the part where most beginners accidentally drain their token budget. Scroll down to the quality and cost slider. Click the 3 dots to reveal the advanced panel. Here, you can override the AI models per modality. You do not need a premium image generator for a simple whiteboard explainer. Dial down the image tier, keep the voice tier high, and watch your live token cost drop instantly. Stop paying for compute power you do not need. Step 2 handles voice and audio. At the very top sits the skip voiceover toggle. Beware this permanent trap. If you turn this on, you cannot add a voiceover later without starting from scratch. Below that, browse the voice selection carousel. Provider badges show exactly which engine drives each voice. Click the play icon to hear a sample, then fine-tune the delivery. You control the exact speed, pitch, and excitement level to match your specific script. When you are ready for global scale, open the multi-language batch panel. This enterprise feature lets you generate up to 5 language variants simultaneously. Click to add a new row and select your target language. Keep your eyes on the live token cost banner. It updates instantly as you add variants, showing exactly what your global reach will cost before you commit. You build the video once, and the system translates and renders the entire batch. Step 3 is branding and media. This is where you force the AI to obey your strict brand guidelines. Open the 5-cell color strip. You can input your exact hex codes for primary, secondary, and accent colors. The AI applies these to every visual element it generates. For typography, do not look for an upload button. Fonts are CSS family names. Type your exact Google font name directly into the heading and body fields. The renderer pulls them automatically, ensuring your final export looks exactly like your brand's. Next is the Input Media Drop Zone. Drag and drop your required files directly into the browser window. Keep the strict system limits in mind. Images cap at 10 megabytes, documents at 5, and your total upload cannot exceed 200 megabytes. Before you click Create and permanently consume your monthly production slot, there is one critical review check you must perform. Step 4 is Review and Create. Verify your settings on the summary cards, then click the Create and Start button. Your production is queued. But how does the AI actually translate these settings into a storyboard? The answer is in Phase 1 planning, and it changes everything about how you write prompts. Try it free at StudioCut.video and click here for Episode 3.